right now. Because I really think this is pretty important. There's an easier way to do this. I'm going to finish this video out. Stay tuned for the breakdown of the easier way to do this. Let's just go ahead and check it out.
Let's
First, I'm going to go ahead and say this. That is dangerous. Once again, let me repeat. That is dangerous. I know we doing stuff for YouTube, social media. We want to look cool, like look at me do it with some shears. I'm used to this saying called work smarter, not harder. For one, yes, you got the comb and you're blocking the shears from touching the skin and the hair. But at one point, he does freehand. Now, being that this is an as-mirror video, I see that there's a microphone on the shears. That's very creative. People want to hear it. There's a space for that. People want to hear it. But the simplest way to do it, if you got a pair of clippers, easy game. If you got a pair of clippers, you take that lever, you open it wide open. Let me see. I might have some clips. Boom. These are some old school Johns. But you see there's a lever right here. If you open that, this is closed. If you open that lever all the way open and just take it with the grain, it would have been done in less than 5 seconds. Less than 5 seconds. But I'm glad you made this video. Shout out to the content creator that made this video. Because guess what? It gave me something to break down. It gave me something to break down, and I think this is a learning moment. Be careful going against somebody's face with shears. Let me repeat. Be careful going across someone's face with a pair of shears. Is dangerous. You can hurt your client. Nobody wants to leave the barbershop with bruises. Luckily, nothing happened to this old man. And for one, his eyebrow, who lets their eyebrows get that long? That's besides the point. Be careful, because right here you see he's freehanding at times. If he cut that skin, he might have to return a full fee of the haircut. Legit. Nobody wants to leave the barbershop bleeding or cut up or bruised, and the only thing they ask to do is just to come in and get a clean cut. A clean cut. I ain't asked for a cut against my skin. At the end of the day, the important part about this is keeping your clients safe. Most people are not going to be able to do this without keeping their clients safe. So take that tip that I gave you. Open that lever all the way open on your clipper. Go with the grain of how the hair grows. And you'll get the same results, if not better. Barbers, let me know down below how you cutting down eyebrows. Clients, people that get haircuts, do you trust your barber doing this to your face? Let me know down below. It's FadeMasterLos.